Hello guys, over to the next problem here. A particle performs SHM of amplitude 5 centimeter and period 2 second. Find the speed of the particle at the point where its acceleration is half of its maximum value. Okay, now here we need to know a few things or maybe figure out a few things. Okay, alright, the amplitude, I just write down the data which is given. My amplitude A is 5 centimeter and the period is T, that is equal to 2 seconds. Okay, so from the period I can find omega, correct, angular frequency. So my omega is 2 pi upon T, and that would be equal to 2 pi upon 2, that is equal to pi radian per second. Okay, amplitude is 5 centimeter. Let us convert that into 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Okay, I'm just writing it. Maybe you might need to convert it into meter, or we can let it be in centimeter. Okay, now we need to find the speed of particle at a point when the acceleration is half of its maximum value. Now what is the acceleration? Acceleration is equal to minus a omega square into x. Correct, this is the basic formula. Okay, but then what is the maximum acceleration? Acceleration would be maximum when x is maximum, isn't it? And what is the maximum value of x? Is it not amplitude? Correct. So a max is equal to minus omega square into a. Okay, but now we are not dealing with any we would be dealing with only magnitudes here. So I'm getting rid of this negative sign here. I'm not going to write that here. Okay, I would be interested only in magnitude. So my a max is equal to omega square into a. But then what is the acceleration? Acceleration is half of its maximum value. So that means my acceleration here at this particular position is equal to a max upon 2. So that is a omega square upon 2, right? And now is it not equal to omega square x? Correct. So omega square x is equal to a omega square upon 2. Correct. Can I cancel this? Yes. So I don't really need this omega square or omega here. Okay, what I need is x is equal to a by 2. Correct. So when the particle is at a distance equal to half the amplitude from the mean position, okay, I want to find the speed, okay, at that point, right? So clear up to this? Yeah. Now what is the formula for your velocity? V is equal to omega root over a square minus x square. Now that plus or minus sign I'm not going to write, because I don't know whether these people want to ask me on this side or on that side. Okay, so that plus or minus sign would be immaterial over here. I have x here, I have a given there. Okay, we have omega, correct? So we can find out the velocity, correct? So it would be pi root over a square minus a square by 2, or a square by 4 it would be, correct? Because a by 2 square would be a square by 4. So this would be equal to pi root over 3 by 4 a square. So that is root 3 by 2 pi into a, correct? And that would be equal to how much? So that would be root 3 by 2 into pi into amplitude is 5 into 10 raised to power minus 2, correct? So then that would be equal to okay, so root 3 is 1.732 multiplied by 3.142 would be the value of pi, and multiplied by 5 divided by 2, and that multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2, and that would be equal to V would be equal to so many meter per second. Meter per second because I am using the amplitude in meter. Correct. Now, if I had been using amplitude in centimeter, obviously you wouldn't have you wouldn't be multiplying by 10 raised to the power minus 2 there, right? So this is how you get the speed. So again, I always say spend little more time on reading the question, understand the question, and then start solving. Don't just jump to solve the problem like that, right? In the next video we are going to have a few more interesting problems. Till then, goodbye.